What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. Today I'm going to touch on how to get new fonts, man. I know you get tired of using the same old fonts. You want a new little feng shui. So, I'm going to put you guys on to where I get my fonts to get quality fonts for free. You know, um, we're our own business. So anytime that we can get stuff free that's quality, we want to take advantage of that. We're all money in. I know I'm all money in. So if I can find things where I can get it for free, then we want to do that every single time. So that's what I'm going to touch bases on today. But what I need you guys to do is hit the sub button right now. Hit the sub button. Um, Man, the more subs I get, the more I'm going to post, the more value I can bring to you guys. Y'all know, if you've been following my channel, I'm very transparent. I'm very real, and I don't watch my tongue for anybody. I talk like this, and this is how I am. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it or water it down for nobody in this channel. And so if y'all love me, man, hit the sub button, and I'm going to keep coming with it. So right now, let's go over to the site that I download fonts on, and let me show you guys how I'm doing it and how I'm getting all these free fonts. So let's get it. Okay. So boom. So we went over to the site. This is called the font. So you can go through all of these categories of what kind of fonts you guys want. Right now it's Halloween, so you guys might want some Halloween stuff. There's Christmas. There's all type of shit. There's thousands of fonts on here. So you can grab them from here. But the real way to do it is when you can put, okay, so this is the preview, right? So I can type anything on here and it'll put the fonts and it'll show me what it'll look like, So let's see. Let's just type in merch, right? Why the fuck did it type it like that? Merch. Okay. So then I type in merch, right? And it'll show me that it says merch, in all of the fonts, right? Merch, right? So what you guys want to do is, if you're a super stickler on your account the way I am, you want to click this button that says 100% free, okay? That means that you can use it for commercial use or, whatever. So you want to click that. If you're a stickler on your account like I am, and you don't want to take no risk, then this is what you do, right? And so yeah, you can just scroll through and look through all this stuff, and you could just download it. There, as soon as you download it, it's downloaded. There's no extensive things that it puts you through. So yeah, you can go through all the categories and find new fonts that you like. There's a bunch of dope stuff on here. And if you're a person that is not only doing merch, or you're just you're a risk taker, or you're just not just only doing Amazon, then I would just click this thing that says free for personal use at least. I wouldn't just uncheck them all, but why the fuck is it clicking there? Should tweak and then there'll be more fonts for you, even more to choose from. But I'm just giving you guys that disclaimer, letting y'all know. I know a few times I've probably chosen a couple ones outside of the thing. But I'm not necessarily always using those for merch by Amazon. But I'm just letting you guys know that disclaimer. So make sure you click that option, or at least this option, and you can download these. So nice and free. Free. So let me show you all of this shit. There's hella options, all type of stuff. Hundreds and hundreds of fucking fonts. So please utilize this, man. I can give you the game, but I can't make you use the game. So I'm gonna just let you guys know that this is where I get my fonts. I don't use anything else but this. I've never paid for a font, not one time in my merch career when it comes to fonts. So yeah, here's the site, the font. So let me show you guys the download process and how fucking easy it is. Right now I'm using a MacBook. I don't use PC, so I don't think it's any different. I don't think it's different on PC, but just in case it is, I'm just telling you guys how I downloaded on here and how simple it is. So it's American Captain. So I'm gonna download this. Boom, download, right? It's already down here. It's fast download. Go to downloads in your thing, and here's it right here. Spider font. All I do is double click it and push, and this thing comes down. I don't know why this shit isn't bigger enough. Bigger, but this is the thing right here. This spider font. Click install font. Boom, you're done. So next time you open up Photoshop, that font will be available, and boom, you got the new fonts. So if you guys thought this video was valuable to you guys, and if you guys are gonna use the site, let me know, man. Let me know something. I just keep thinking of new videos that I can use to help you guys, things that I had to discover, trying to save you guys some time on your merch journey, learning from my mistakes and the things that I've learned also. So man, you guys go ahead and hit that motherfucking sub button, man. I know y'all fucking with it. Man, until next time. And if there's ever any videos that you guys need or questions that you guys have, I'm not like these other channels. I won't ignore you guys. I won't act like it's a stupid question. I won't treat you bad. So just fuck with me, man. It's good. So until next motherfucking time. Yeah.